Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the TCS Ninja interview questions, and these two guys have conducted their interview on October 1st, and I will explain all the questions. The one is Karunia, and he's from EC branch. And in the TCS interview, what the question are asked, I will explain here. And another one is Abhi, and he's from mechanical branch. And first of all, I will take a EC student interview. And first one is technical interview, and the second one is HR interview. Sometime both technical MR and HR round will be conducted, but sometime only two interviews conducted, technical and HR. So it depend only on the interviewers how many panel is there in the interview. Most of the time three panel is there, and most of the time two panel. Okay, so it depend on the interviewer. And first of all, they will ask about self introduction. So in the self introductions, you have to introduce yourself. And after that they explain, they ask about the project explanation. Okay, your final year project explanation you have to give. And then they will ask about which language in which you are comfortable. Okay, if you are mentioning C, Python, HTML, SQL, he said. And then they ask question on database, joins, trigger, types of joins, inner join, outer join, all these joins they asked. Then write a query to get a unique birth year from a table. Okay, they will ask about to write a query. Then they ask question on data structure, like what is array and how to retrieve an element from an array, and index number for third element in an array, and iteration. After that, a technical round got complete, and then HR round will start. And why biography math to engineering? This question is very critical. Means how why bio maths to engineering. Means they ask, and so you have to explain according to yours. And then why EC to IT? Okay, they will ask question if you are from EC student and you want to into IT sector, so they will ask surely that question. Then why TCS? And then they will explain, they will ask about a 1 year bond. Okay, if you leave TCS before 1 year, then you have to pay 19,000, 90,000 for it. Okay, so all these questions will be there. And then in the last they will ask you any question from your side. So if you have any question, you can ask from them. Then another student is Abhi, and he's from mechanical branch, and his interview is conducted around 20 to 25 minutes. And in his interview, technical plus MR round is there. In his interview only technical and MR round. And they will ask about in the both interview you can see that the first interview will start about self introduction. So it is very important. So you in the self introduction you have to mention your currently education, your engineering, and CGPA, your project, and your some of hobbies. And after that, what project you did? Okay, they will ask about, in the both interview they will ask about project. Then which language do you know? I said Python. Okay, then what is oops? Oops concept, functional overloading, operator overloading, overriding. All these questions they will ask from oops concept only. What is class, object difference, and example. Then what is class and library difference? Can oops be implemented in Python? So in this interview you can say all the questions are asked only from oops concept. So prepare oops concept, class, object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism. Okay, function overloading, operator overloading, function overriding. All these questions are only from there. Then new technology, you know, two three question on those new technology. Then where you see yourself in next 5 years? These are MR round question. Then will you learn new technology and reskill for the job? Okay. then any question, that's all. And then his HR round is conducted, and they asked me my percentage of 10th diploma btech till 6th semester. Okay. uh, in this interview you can see all technical mr and hr round is conducted. And in Karunia interview only technical or hr round is conducted. So if you goes through until HR round, then your selection into the TCS is more. Chances of selection into TCS is more. And if they see your degree like 10th diploma, BTech degree, all these, then chances of getting selection is more. So prepare yourself, and thank you guys. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.